For them they do the donkey work.
Enganzi hanga Robina Nabanja nagira nka government nibetengo kutandika kuyumsya abakozi abanya-Uganda abaruko basakore nguto nukwecendeze kwihobo kugaheru yihanga nko muringo gumugo kutungura ihanga
of supporting deliberately supporting the local contractors to build our economy as a must under your ministry, Jaja. Local contractors like Abubakar, you have those that have attested already. See how to help them with these small projects so that they can build themselves deliberately.
Yes, ma'am. Nabanjasha ministry y'ebyentambura okuchondoza contractor akwasiba umurumo gukora ruguto rwa Mubende Mitiana okwetegereza imikorere yarwo hamwe no mutindo.
Mubende Mitiana Road is the thorn in our throat. We the leaders who go through, we are tired of being abused by local villagers. Whenever you are negotiating a portal, they say, Chigwemu, temwina bye mukola muisa wano convoy. They have abused us enough on that road. In fact, they also abused the Muzei. Hey, Ochirabye. He told you. So can we have that road out of our way?
General Edward Katumba Wamara or Minister w'ebyentambura nagira ngo government yahirize kushashura sente zone z'urukwetagwa okuhunduza oruguto rwa Mitiana kuza Mubende hamwe no rwa Busunju Kibuga kuza Hoima.
As I was saying, Mitiana Mubende, we have paid that person fully. 10 million. We have paid him fully. Now, yes, that was the last payment. We had earlier paid him 39, then paid him another lot. And this 10 billion is the last payment which we paid him.
Number of roads needed to be worked upon. As the Minister of Works has stated, out of the 1.6 trillion, so far 500 billion has been released. And the balance of 1.1 trillion, there is some conditionality which required further discussions with the financier, and my team is telling me they are having the last meeting next week, and then we can be able to release the money to Ministry of Works in order to enable them execute all the works.
But the way things work, I don't want to go back to the old story, is that we have made an effort to work together as ministers and put our technical people together because we are serving one government. But the problem is the one who is mandated is not the one who is holding the money. And I want to repeat, the mandate of on-farm water is not having money. This is the problem. If I can recall Kabuyanda, I participated and I told my PS, let's work together. I was there on the commissioning, but we insisted we use extension workers. But since we did not have money, the people who had the money hired consultants.
Dr. Pamela Mbabazi orukura National Planning Authority of Uganda ahameze ku barukwija kugumana bahereza abanya-Uganda umugisha ugo kubanza babana bagabaza contract za government obwa hati government yone hunduzo ruguto rwa Mubende kuza Mitiana hamwe no rwa Busunju Kibuga kuza Hoima zombe ziri mu mberambi gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze.